We make our own shadows move by moving our bodies. Like if we moved our hands side to side like this. But that's not the only way for a shadow to move. If you keep your hands still and the light moves instead, then a shadow can move too. At your activity stations, you were able to make the gnome's shadow move, even though the gnome wasn't moving. You did that by moving the light. You moved the flashlight you were holding. When I marked the shadow of this statue by the window, it didn't seem like the gnome's shadow was moving. But if we watch it slowly over time, we can see that it is moving. Very, very slowly. Look, you see that? It's moving. That's because the light is moving. In other words, the sun seems to be moving. And it's not just statue shadows that move. Have you ever noticed this with other things? Check out another video. This is a sped up video of some trees outside. And here's the view inside of a room if we speed up the video all day. All of these shadows are moving because of what the sun is doing. The sun seems to be moving in the sky. Look, here's a sped up video of what the sun is doing. Now, you already knew the sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. But even in the middle of the day, the sun's place in the sky is changing. This shadow experiment proves it. This experiment shows you that once the sun comes up, the sun doesn't just stay in one spot in the sky. It moves. It turns out, scientists discovered something that may sound kind of crazy. It's actually the Earth that's moving, not the sun. But when you're standing on the Earth, as we do, it looks like the sun is moving. So we find it helpful to talk as if that's true. We say things like, the sun is rising, or in this case, the sun is setting, or the sun moves across the sky. So in summary, you found out that a statue's shadow can move. That's because the sun doesn't stay in one spot in the sky. It looks like it's moving across the sky. And that makes all the shadows on the ground move too, even the shadows of statues and buildings. We'll explore more about the sun in our next mystery. Have fun and stay curious.